Hello, all of you biology-inclined individuals, and welcome back to this special episode of the series featuring moving backgrounds. My associate Kenley will entrance you with the joys of Peripatric Speciation. Enjoy!
Hello and welcome back to episode 3 of the Speciation Safari Show. I'm your host Kinley, and we're going to talk about Peripatric Speciation. First, let's define it. Peripatric speciation is a mode of speciation in which species are formed from an isolated peripheral group. That is key. Let's define it with an example. So imagine we are in Southeast Africa. There are herds of zebras running everywhere. But these zebras, they need resources. So they're inhabiting an oasis where they have water, where they can feed on other sources of food. However, there's a drought that occurs. This forces the zebras to relocate. And mosquitoes have been present all over the zebras. This is where they feed. But once the zebras move, they have to relocate as well. So a few of them fly over to Madagascar to find new resources. However, this journey is long and hard, and not all of the mosquitoes make it. So there's only a few, and statistically in these few there are some rare genes. So once these rare genes are present in a population, that's when the founder effect occurs. And over a few generations, as these mosquitoes begin to populate, this is known as genetic drift, where these rare genes become common. These rare genes could affect the wing shape. They could affect the mating ritual. They could affect a lot of things. But once these rare genes have taken over and now this population is different from the original population, so much so that it's reproductive isolation, that's when peripatric speciation has occurred. So let's break it down into the major points that we can take home. First, there has to be an event where species move and populations have to find a new place to inhabit. Then, rare genes have to become common. And once those rare genes become common to make the population so different from the original that reproductive isolation has occurred, that's when peripatric speciation occurred. So that's it. Thank you for watching the third episode, and we'll see you next time.